Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload longer videos on Instagram story. So let's begin our video. So very first of all, you just need to open your Play Store, and then make sure you updated your Instagram app. Otherwise you cannot use this feature. So you just need to update your Instagram app at the first, and then open your Instagram app and select a plus icon at the bottom, and then select a story. So right now in this section you can go your gallery. So I just select gallery, and there have a video there. You can see 1 minute 42 second. So I just select this video, and here you can see this video working perfectly. So you can edit and you can upload it. So this video is 1 minute 42 second. It's more than 60 second. So that's it, guys. In this way you can upload longer videos on Instagram story. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.